Welcome back. Novenas of Venerable Padre Agnel began from Monday at Pilar. This is in view of the preparation for 86th death anniversary of Venerable Padre Agnel that will be held on November 20 at Pilar.
आयज जावन आमी 10 दीस नोवेना कशी मागण्यान दीस सारतेल्या खेरीत भाशेन मान्यवन थागनेलाक आल्ताराचो मान फावो जावन आनी ह्या नोवेनाच्या दिसांनी आमी खास तरेन आमचे जी पिढीवंत आसात व दुसऱ्या धर्माची भावां भयणां आसात तांचे खातीर आमी मागतले 20 तारखेर खेरीत भाशेन आमी मागण्याचो दीस कसो सारतेल्या मान्यवो थागनेलाक आल्ताराचो मान मेळो आनी ह्या दिसाक आमची मिसां जातेलींत 5:30 5:45 8 आनीक 11:30 वरांचेर पूण खेरीत भाशेन कारवारचो बिस्म साहेब मनीस्त डेरेक फर्नांडीस हो मुखेली यादनीक जावन आसतलो.
Futsal is an exciting variant of football, while 2020 is a shortened version that packs a punch in cricket. Yet, to be popular in India and making its debut in Goa was a variant of field hockey which is called beach hockey. A tournament of beach hockey was held in Kolva recently, where Holland's Floris Jan Bovelander was the star attraction. The former Dutch star revealed that beach hockey is being played in his country for the last 8 years.
Hockey is a kind of new sport. We introduced it 8 years ago in Holland. I thought that just like every other sport, hockey should also have a variation of on the beach. And we really tried to get a spectacular form of sport with a nice leather ball, the bigger goals and stuff like that. And in the end, after a couple of years now, in many parts of the world, they play beach hockey in kind of tournaments like this, like events in Holland, in Germany, and from Brazil to Australia. So everywhere they're going to play it now. And next year we have a big World Cup tournament in Holland as a side program of the World Cup in Holland, which is organized on the field. We have the beach hockey World Cup.
Local coach Alexander Remedios feels Goa can develop as a beach hockey hub due to plenty of beaches in the state.
No, none of us knew about it, but now we feel with so many beaches around, we are easily able to pick up the game, and our boys have done well. The junior team has reached the final, and the professional German team won by beating us by the golden goal.
Our reporter from Kolva, Mayur Naik.
First Fado contest organized by Semana Da Cultura Indo Portuguesa got a good response. The unique music kept the music lovers enthralled. This was first of its kind contest in the state.
Tem movimentos de gata, na canastra, a caramela, no coração a fregata.
De tristeza, esperar que um dia eu não espero mais um dia por aquele que nunca vem e que aqui está presente. Ai, que saudade eu tenho de ter saudade, saudades de ter alguém. E aqui está e não existe. Sempre-me triste.
Os populares pregões matinais que já não voltam mais. Lisboa, loiro e de prata, outra mais linda não vejo. O Chico da volta em meia preta, 2 beijos na rita. Quando ele passa por ela sorri desesperada. Porém, Chico a dela não dá pra ela, nem diz nada, que a mãe dela quando cala. Deus, que tem os seus olhos, perfumou as rosas de ouro ao sol e prata no ar. Foi Deus que me pôs no peito.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
তুমি পড়ে তা Prudent. You're watching Prudent.